whistling got that dark roast grind. Roll one up, take a slow deep breath. First sip hits, yeah, that's what I meant. Life's a little fuzzy around the edges, but the world makes sense on my little porch ledge. It's a coffee, coffee, coffee in my cup and smoke up in the air. It's a coffee, coffee, morning don't start till I'm sitting right here. Yeah, I'm sipping and I'm puffing, laughing at nothing, that's a coffee. Neighbors mowing, dogs asleep by the door. Playlist old, but I ain't changing the score. To-do list, maybe later, man. Right now I got two hands and a plan. Stress can wait till after lunch. Today's moving slow and that's a plus. It's a coffee, coffee, coffee in my cup and smoke up in the air. It's a coffee, coffee, morning don't start till I'm sitting right here. Yeah, I'm sipping and I'm puffing, laughing at nothing, that's a coffee. Run, some folks rush me, I just let the minutes hush. A little bitter, little sweet, that's the perfect way to start the week. It's a coffee, coffee, coffee in my cup and smoke up in the air. It's a coffee, coffee, morning don't start till I'm sitting right here. Yeah, I'm sipping and I'm puffing, life's good enough, that's a coffee.